Understanding Factory Floor, an English language guide. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a common English phrase, factory floor. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use this phrase confidently. Remember, context is key when learning new phrases. Factory floor literally refers to the physical ground area within a factory, where production activities occur. This is the space where machines operate, workers are busy, and products are manufactured. It's often associated with industrial environments, heavy machinery, and labor-intensive work. In a figurative sense, factory floor can symbolize the heart of operations or where the action happens in any organization, not just in factories. It implies being at the core of activity, decisions, or where important processes are carried out. This usage highlights the significance of being directly involved in the central operations of a business or activity. 1. Literal. She started her career on the factory floor, operating machinery. 2. Figurative. As a manager, he makes it a point to spend time on the factory floor to understand his team's challenges. These examples show how factory floor can be used to describe both a physical location and metaphorically represent the center of action. The phrase is often used in business discussions to talk about ground-level operations, news articles describing industrial environments, everyday conversation to metaphorically refer to being involved in the main activities of any situation. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, factory floor. Remember, whether it's used literally or figuratively, it's all about the place where the real work happens. Happy learning, and see you in our next English language adventure.